Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites and then start the restore immediately. Verify that the backup set is accessible on the local disk, network share, or VHD file. This avoids mid-restore failures. Next, make sure the target server runs the same Windows Server 2019 edition and has enough free disk space to receive data. Once done, log in as administrator and open the Windows Server Backup MMC. From here, choose Recover to launch the wizard. This gets the process moving without unnecessary waiting. Now focus on the detailed selection steps that determine success. Choose the recovery type, files and folders, applications, or system state, because each uses different restore paths and prerequisites. Then pick the exact backup date and time. Precision matters if you need a point-in-time recovery. Make sure the target location is correct, original location versus alternate. Finally, configure overwrite behavior, preserve security descriptors, and enable volume shadow copy service options when applicable. These settings can execute the restore and watch the progress to catch problems early. During the operation, monitor the Windows Server backup status and note any error codes. They often tell you exactly what to fix. Once complete, validate restored files, confirm services start correctly, and test application behavior to ensure consistency. If something fails, consult the system and application event logs, run chkdsk on affected volumes, and reload the backup catalog if necessary. This troubleshooting tip resolves most mismatches between backup metadata and disk state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.